Hello there and welcome back to Bolts for Bucks. My name's Steven and today we're reviewing the Horusdy Allenkey Set. So it comes in this nice hard case. One thing to note is on the back of the case it does have a screw hole so you could hang this on a wall. Go ahead and open it up. I have a couple little sizes kind of floating around in there because I haven't bothered to put them back, but basically you have your inch sizes on the left side, long arm, so they have a nice long arm to them so you can reach into areas. These are made of very high quality industrial metal, and the sizes go all the way from 0.028 to 3/8 inch on this side. Then you come over to the metric side, and these are shorter arm series, and they go all the way from 0.7 up to number 10 in size. Really like these Allen keys. They work really well. I haven't had any of them like twist or break or snap. Even these really tiny sizes, I haven't had any problems with, and you can see how thin those are. So very high quality metal. Highly recommend. Go ahead and check these Horusdy Allenkey sets out.